Today in my video, I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. So yes, let's get started with the video right now. Okay. So also, in today's video, I'm going to be calling you guys brothers and sisters. So right now, I'm just going to show you my previous slime I made. This is my previous slime. Look. I don't think it's not going to make any noise because it's like butter slime. See? It likes to fall down by itself. So this is a pretty good slime. But yeah. I think it was because I added lotion in this, so let me get started with the video right now. Or let me start making my slime. Okay. So I'm going to make one about this size if I can. So you will need 2 spoons if you like, 1 plate, baking soda, put it over here, and contact lens solution. Okay, so imagine this being the slime I'm making right now. And if you want to, you could add lotion, but I'm not going to do that this time because I want to see how this will turn out. So first, you're going to add in your glue. Okay. I'm going to try to get every last drop. Well, I'm not going to do that because I want a little bit more go in. So like if I mess up. So yeah. Alright. So I get my spoon and I place baking soda on here. So you need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then mix. It's kind of forming into slime without the contact lens solution. But then you're gonna, if you want to, you can add just a very little bit of lotion, like a teeny bit. Not even joking. Okay, so let me scrub the lotion down right here. Okay, then I'm gonna add contact lens solution. At least 4 drops each time. And as you can see, it's starting to form into slime. But since I didn't have enough glue, I'm just going to make another one. So yeah. I'm going to add some more contact lens solution. 4. Okay. So at least 4 drops, if you like. But as you see, it's starting to form and it's starting to stick off the plate a little bit. See? Look, okay. It means your slime is almost ready, but not quite. 2, 3, 4. I want to touch this, but I have to mix this contact lens solution. Now, the purpose of having contact lens solution and baking soda is because the baking soda works with contact lens solution because the contact lens solution is your activator. So that's why I chose this, because I've seen lots of videos on this, but I'm just going to show you how I make mine because this is my first time also. Yeah. And as you can see, it's sticky. So if you did something wrong, see, it's sticky. It means it's not ready yet, and you did something wrong. So I'm gonna try to add some more glue if there's any left. Trying to get every last drop. Since there's just a little bit. Alright, I'll come back when it's done. Alright guys, that took a few minutes. So now I got every single last drop in here. So it's like watery now. So you might want to add just a very little bit of baking soda. And then try to mix.
Can I have this and this and this? Well, this and this.
Hold on guys. I have to do something. Alright. So now you're gonna add a little bit of contact lens solution. Or not. If it looked like it's ready. Trying to crush the baking soda. So 2, 3, 4. Sorry guys if you hear the background. That's my little sister. Oh mama, 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 I just shut a window in Central Station. That's a little too noisy right now. Alright, it's sticky, so why not add any more contact lens solution? Just in case. Because you don't want to add too much. Now I'm going to mix it up fast to try to get it to stick to the slime at the bottom. So okay, I did 4 drops. So each time you need 4 drops, just make sure it's just little bitty drops and not like a lot of 4 drops. Like that's not even it won't even be a drop. I don't know how I got on this subject, but I'm sorry guys. Look guys, it's starting to form really well. And I'm sorry for being annoying also. So yeah, I'm just kidding. Come on. Stick to the side. It's like gumps of slime on the sides of this bowl. Right. Now it's all done. It's slime. Oh, it just fell out the container. I'm gonna start playing with it. I guess you could say this is about the size. So this is the slime I just made. I think this one is a little bit worse. But if you think this is annoying, before I start doing this, you might not like. Let me clean up my area. You might not like. I'm gonna show you some ASMR, which helps you know that the slime is ready. So if it doesn't make a sound, so I don't know. Okay, guys. And on my next video, I will be showing you me adding all my slimes, which I only have 2, so yeah. But here's a little ASMR. Add just a little bit of it. But this is still good. It's still like soapy a little bit. But this one I think is better than all of my other slimes. Because look at this one. This has a different feeling. This one right here. And this one is just like, I don't know. It's like soft. You could probably put a baby on this. If you could. But it's really soft. I love the texture because it's soft. So yeah. Yay for slime. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. Yes. And I'm sorry that I said like again. And also I want you to know that I love you guys. Bye, brothers and sisters.